As expected, WTI crude has seen a good drop earlier in the week and achieved $95 levels, and from there it has bounced back nicely, closing the week at $103.5 levels. Now, what is going to happen next week? Which positions we should take? How to make profit trading crude oil next week? I am going to tell you. We are going to analyze with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. First, we'll look at the charts, then followed with the indicators. Try to find out, and at the end of this analysis, I will give you the summary and I will give you the trading levels, entries, and the take profits, stop loss, everything. So don't forget to watch till the end, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. My other analysis for natural gas, gold, silver, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, Germany 40, Nifty, and FTSE 100 is also going to get released soon. Yes, I share daily analysis for these instruments also. So do press the bell icon and stay tuned with the latest analysis. Now let's have a look at the charts here. On the charts, you will find that, see, oil is trading in a narrowing triangle. You can see lower highs, you can see higher lows. However, yes, this is the zone in which it is trying to trade. Now highs are very much limited here at 108 now, and yes, only if it breaks 108 next week I will recommend you to go long, else it may try to probably drop, it may try to probably give you a second red candle. The support here is $100 levels, 100.5 levels may provide a very strong support, and below 100.5 one can again expect it to go back till towards $97 levels. So in between 97 and 108 we have to be little bit cautious. It can try to swing back on the upside and downside as well, but this is just on the daily charts. On the daily charts it appears it is still bullish, however trying to consolidate a bit before it takes a breakout on the upside or downside. So I'll be little bit cautious. Appears on the, so on the downside also it is possible. So this is what it appears on the daily charts. Now let's have a closer look at the nearest time frame. On the nearest time frame to lower highs, see, this was the support here at $95 levels, a high and then a drop, again falling back, getting support at 95, lower highs, and now again looking downwards. Probably now the support level at $100 levels is very much strong. This is a very imminent and strong support at $100 levels. So next week, short only if you see it trading below $100 levels, then only one can expect that we may see it going till towards 97 and $95 levels. On the upside, breaking $108 levels, there is no point in stopping and oil may fly soon. So this is just on the daily charts. Let's have a look at the weekly candles. Now on the weekly candles too, see lower highs, this is very much clear, and also the support here at 93, then 95, and then $100. So I'll be cautious till these levels. However, the previous candle, it appears that if you take a trade here and probably opening below, going below this zone at 101, probably you can expect that it may try to come back till towards 97. This is going to provide us little support, 95, then $92 levels. So till $90 levels it has got very strong support level. Even if it tries to break, it may continue with this zone. On the minor time frame, you can find that probably now the base is set at 95 or at worst at $90 levels. This zone between 90 and 95 is going to remain a fairly strong support zone. So from here, if you see it trading below this zone at 101, one can go short. One can expect $100 to provide a support, then 97, 98, and 95 levels to provide very strong support, and any breakout beyond 108 is a confirmed position for going long. Beyond that, one can remain long. One can expect a larger and stronger breakout. Now coming back to the monthly candle. See, on the monthly candle, couple of observations. This is the rise here. This is kind of a reversal indication, and the candle has tried to because the previous month has seen a stronger pullback on the downside and the bulls failed to hold the control. So but after that, despite that, it has seen a good support, good rise, and traded in green. Now if you look at what we are looking at, probably if it breaks $95 levels next month, we may see a stronger fall in crude oil, which might bring it towards $80 levels. So I'll be watchful of couple of levels. First it has to trade below $100 levels, then it has to trade below 95, and below that one can expect a sharper fall. Right now what it is trying to make, it is still bullish, it is trying to trade in this channel, and yes, hence 98, 97 is again going to be important, and then 95 levels. So this is what it appears here on the monthly candle. A probable breakout here beyond 110 is very good indication that it is going to fly from here. So I'll be cautious. Now look at the minor time frame on the 4-hour charts. You can find that, see, first the support at $100 levels is imminent. With this as support, it has seen a rally, now trying to drop towards the end of this, and may probably, if you see it trading above 104 point, or rather I say $105 levels, yes, you can expect it to go back till towards 106 and then towards 107 levels. But these levels are going to remain larger resistance for crude oil for any further rise. Below 102, yes, you can go short. The support at 100 levels and 101 levels should come into picture, and below that we may see a sharper fall also. This is what it appears on the 4-hour chart. Let's have a look at the indicators here. Now indicators must also sync with what we have seen in the daily and weekly charts. Look at the 4-hour charts. This zone at 100 and 102, very strong support zone for on 4-hour charts. If it breaks this, we may see a sharper drop on the 4-hour charts. Looking downwards, the stochastic MACD trying to converge, crossover. If it crosses over, we may see a sharper fall, and RSI not showing any signs. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts, see, first thing, this is the 20 period moving average, now at 101 levels, providing it a very strong support. This is the exponential moving average 20 period levels, which is right now situated at around 102.5 levels. So next week, probably if you see it trading below 102.5, you can take a target of 102, 101, and then below that we may see 100 and below levels. We may in fact see it going till towards 98, 97 levels. And if you look at the previous candle, see, this is the reversal candle. After this, it is trading in this zone on the daily charts. However, there is a little resistance, so probably I will be cautious in between $100, $101 levels and $108 levels. And also let's have a look at the stochastic here. The stochastic on the daily charts is near to overbought here, not overbought, hence it is still got some room, or it may try to trade with a drop and then rise later on. Now look at the MACD. See, previously the MACD has just crossed over within 4 candles. Now the MACD is still bullish and trading in green, only 2 candles. Probably we may see couple or more green candle. Even if it is bearish, it may try to rise a bit, and hence $108 levels cannot be denied. And on the downside, $198 levels should provide a very strong support. RSI is neither showing any signs there, neither overbought nor oversold. Now look at the weekly chart here. On the weekly candle too, $95 and $92 levels now are going to remain a fairly strong support zone for crude oil. Only if it breaks this zone, one can expect a sharper drop, which will try to take it towards $80 levels. Now look at the weekly stochastic, now again crossed over and looking bullish from here, so I'll be cautious. It can try to give you a couple more green candles. However, the MACD is on the verge of a crossover on the sell side, indicating probably when it crosses over, we may see a little drop. And hence, now to summarize it well, I will give you the trading levels. And before we start, if you want to gain the same expertise, and if you want to understand the markets same as how we do and try to make profit, first invest in your learning. You can join my mentorship batch. The next batch is starting on 9th of May. Book your seats fast, as the seats are filling soon. Only limited seats are left. And yes, you can be part of my VIP signals group, where just by trading as per the signals, you can make good profits. Reach out to me via Telegram or email. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description for any of your trading and trading related queries. Now let's have a look at the trading levels for next week. So first thing is where to go long. Now I will recommend you to go long at 104 levels, 104.1 you can go long. The next target is $105, which is going to remain a fairly strong resistance. Then 106.1 and 107. See, till here it has got little resistance, and then towards 108.2 levels. Till here, yes, oil can retrace back again on the downside, breaking 108.2. One can expect that it is going to hit 110, then 111.3. and beyond that sky is the limit. It can do wonders above these levels, so take your positions. However, this is the level which will be a alert level for us. It may try to achieve this. If only if it breaks and sustain this, we may see a stronger rise in crude oil, and it can continue in bullish momentum, bullish mode next month itself if it crosses and sustains above these levels. On the downside, yes, you can go short. See, for the long position, this is the stop loss. For the short position, this is the stop loss. So if you short at 102.5, the next and nearest support is at 102.0, and then 101. This is going to be a fairly strong resistance. $100 levels, fairly strong resistance, and below that it will try to hit 98.2, 97 levels. Still here, yes, it can bounce back again, and if it breaks 97, direct landing towards 95. This is a very strong support level at 95, and breaking this, yes. However, till it trades above 92.5 and $90 levels, we cannot say that it is completely bearish. However, breaking $90 levels, it is going to give you a stronger fall for the month of May, and it may try to hit $80 levels in the month of May itself. So trade with caution and take your positions accordingly. It right now, oil might still trade indecisive in this week itself, and probably it may try to attempt a breakout above 108 levels once, but I think it will fail and probably trade with a drop, and a mostly sideways movement can be expected. However, if it breaks 108 and sustains above these levels, definitely one can expect a stronger rise, which will try to get it towards 112 and 114. Even in fact, it can try to go back till towards 118-20 levels also. Anything is possible. These are markets. On the downside, once it breaks below 95, 93 and 90 levels, one can expect a sharper drop. Till then, we have to trade with caution. Shift always your stop loss to cost whenever you see it trading in green, such that at least you can preserve your capital. You can enter 10 times, you can enter 100 times, nobody denies you taking a re-entry. So trade accordingly and take your positions accordingly. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.